Welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting new update on Telegram Web that allows you to easily view all shared documents in your chats. Whether you're looking for important files or just curious about what's been shared, these steps will guide you through the process effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to web.telegram.org. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your usual chat list. Next, you need to find the chat where the documents are shared. Scroll through your conversations or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the specific chat. Once you've found it, click on the chat to open it. Now that you're in the chat, look for the chat's name at the top. Click on it to open the contact information. This is where you can see various options related to the chat, including media, links, and of course, files. Once you're in the contact info section, you'll see a few tabs. Choose the Files option. This is where all the documents shared in this chat are neatly organized. You'll be able to see everything that's been sent, from PDFs to images and more. Scroll through to find the specific document you're looking for. If you want to download a file, simply click on it, and it will open in a new tab or prompt you to save it to your device. It's that easy. You can keep track of important documents and stay organized, all within Telegram Web. In summary, viewing shared documents on Telegram Web is straightforward. Just open web.telegram.org. Find the chat you're interested in, access the contact info, and navigate to the Files section. With this new update, managing your documents has never been simpler. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Telegram and other platforms. Happy chatting.